3 votes to evict.
Issued at 8:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for the Gwen Burn Scar in north central Nez Perce County in north central Idaho, southern Latah County in the panhandle of Idaho until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Gwen Burn Scar. Between 0.25 and 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the warning area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms in and around the Gwen Burn Scar. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of areas in and around the Gwen Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Julietta. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Idaho, Latah, and Nez Perce.
I sadly